John McConnell.
Very experienced rider John. Let's see if he can beat the 1010 that's being held right now by Alyssa and Mr. Brightside. And John starts off with the 60. Over the 40 we're in 100. Over the 100 we've got 200 accumulated so far. 280. 380. Over the 80, we're standing now at 460. Over that fence, and we're now at 520. That's 640. Over the 90, we're standing at 730. Wow, we're at now, I believe, 840. Over the 70 fence, we're standing at 910. Oh, John's at 1,000. Now we're at 1110. Over the 120 fence, we're standing at 1230. And I don't believe I heard the buzzer. That one doesn't count. Very high score there. 1230 for John McConnell with 80 million. John knows how to pick his courses, and let's see if he can add 200 to that score, and we'll certainly have a very fast new leader. Let's confirm that he stands at that right now, and we're at 1160. I think it was over 12 though.
Good, at least you missed the buzzer.
Well, as it happened, John, you didn't make time for the Joker, so you didn't lose that 200, and you still keep the 1160. Well, that's all confirmed. I'll give it to you in just a moment.